The S&P 500 index closed higher on Monday as investors were still optimistic over trade talks between the United States and its trading partners, despite President Donald Trump's latest salvo to double tariffs on imported steel and aluminium. Trump said late on Friday, May 30th, he planned to increase tariffs on imported steel and aluminium to 50% to 25% starting Wednesday, just hours after he accused China of violating an agreement. China said on Monday that U.S. President Donald Trump's accusations that Beijing had violated the consensus reached in Geneva trade talks were groundless and promised to take forceful measures to safeguard its interest. The Trump administration wants countries to provide their best offer on trade negotiations by Wednesday as officials seek to accelerate talks with multiple partners ahead of a U.S.-imposed deadline in just 5 weeks, according to a draft letter to negotiating partners viewed by Reuters.
I think the 50% tariff placed on steel and aluminum is not just rhetoric, it's reality. It is something that is going to last, possibly through the entire Trump administration. Our Washington analysis political strategy arm believes that the administration is trying to do is to drive new capacity within the U.S. for both steel and aluminum production, rather than simply trying to use this as a negotiating ploy.
Shares of U.S. steel companies rose, led by Cleveland-Cliffs. Other steel makers also rose, including Nucor and Steel Dynamics. However, shares of automakers such as Ford and General Motors were lower.